Come. What's your name, beta? He is my son. और ये मेरे मामा जी हैं, by the way, ये मेरे मामा जी हैं. Mr. Ashok Bhai Jagtap, yes. And Sonia Chawla ma'am, our guest of honor, actress and Congress leader Nadma Morarji.
Sonia ma'am, come closer, please. Ma'am, your hair.
Sonia, take. Thank you. Cross it. Come now. Like that. No. You have to just hold it in front for the. Get your bouquet.
Our chief guest, Ashok Bhai Jagtap, President Mumbai Congress, and we have, of course, Congress leader and honorary actress, our guest of honor, Nadma Morarji, to please do the, and of course, Ms. Manali Jagtap joining us as well, to do the ribbon cutting.
This is a danger zone for us.
कुछ कैंडिड फोटोग्राफ्स भी लो, जैसे वो कुछ देख रहे हैं तो आप साथ में अभी लो एक फोटोग्राफ.
Oh, I see. This is detachable there.
Yeah.
You can remove with ruby and other connectors. ना मुझे जरा भी नहीं कि ज्वेलरी की ये बहू है, उनका खुद का ये या गोल्ड एंड ज्वेलरी उनकी बहू मेरी बेटी. They are all
Absolutely gorgeous. I mean, we came in and we are seeing wonderful amount of stores here, jewelry, fashion, both ethnic and contemporary. And we as a chamber that works with women and women businesses are very, very proud to be associated with Wedding Bliss, since it's got a lot of women entrepreneurs here. And we wish all the people here the best of luck. Quirky fashion is something that goes with my style, so we've already slipped out from here and done a bit of shopping. Very interesting collars, very interesting jewelry, very interesting bags and shoes as well. So make your way here and have a wonderful, wonderful time. There's lovely stuff that you can see, and you can bring friends as well. Do join, come in really quickly, and support all the wonderful women that have got their clothing and their fashion lines out.
First of all, I'd like to congratulate Simran Sapra and Sonia ji for this lovely exhibition that they've put up. It's always an honor to come and inaugurate something which is to do with women and women empowerment. So it was really a good thing, and it's lovely, this exhibition we've just seen. We've gone through it, and they have a very nice collection. Even the bridal collection is very nice, so I wish them all the very best for these 2 days that they're having. And Simran is someone I have always been associated since very many years. They've been, and it's an honor always to encourage women to be doing something nice. So it's of course lovely. And then we have these beautiful things all around. So there are different things. I think there's jewelry, there is clothes, there is, and everything has variety, which is nice, whether they're diamonds, whether they're precious stones. Although I've stopped wearing a lot of jewelry, I think COVID has made everybody with less baggage. But yet, again, when I come and I see glitter in my eyes for all those things, because they're very nice pieces, very well set up, the entire thing. And also a very nice collection, whether it's simple salwar suits, which are formal, informal, lovely bridal wears, which are very well worked with a lot of stone and a lot of work on them. So it's a pleasure to have come here today, and it's always a pleasure to empower women and encourage women doing something good. And I think by far this is one of my first inaugurations in co-ed period. So, so it's a welcome change, and women are now getting out to do stuff. So that's I wish them all the very best for this.
I would really like to congratulate both Sonia and Simran Aunty, and amidst this entire COVID situation, to put such a show together. It's, I think, amazing. The collection is fabulous. All the jewelers are really good, and so are the designers, I feel. And I, being from the same line of work, really know what it takes to put a show like that together. So yeah, congratulations to them, and I think it's amazing. They've done a fabulous job. Takes more hard work, takes more time, takes more karigars, takes more everything. So I know how much it is to put one outfit together. So it takes a lot of efforts, and for them to have such a huge variety of designers. I mean, they have designers from Delhi, Calcutta, I guess from Mumbai, from everywhere. And again, in the middle of this COVID situation, to put something like that together is amazing. Their designers are amazing. Their their jewelers are also very good. They're one of the most renowned designers from Mumbai and Delhi. And yeah, our favorites are all here. So I think it's amazing to have everything under one, under one platform. I think it's great.
Thank you so much, Mrs. Manali Jagtap, and thank you so much, Mrs. Nagma Murarji.